everyone, and welcome back to ViewSonic. I'm Courtney Rogers, and today we are going to be unboxing the ViewSonic LX60HD. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. Included with the LX60HD projector, you have the power cable, the remote, and the quick start guide. This LX60HD projector delivers a crisp 1080p resolution with a brightness of 630 ANSI lumens, perfect for a variety of rooms with ambient lighting. Not only that, but the LX60HD is a smart LED projector, fully equipped with a built-in Google TV, allowing for you to stream all of your favorite shows and movies straight from the LX60HD. No additional device required. Don't be worried about setup either, because this projector is incredibly easy with its autofocus, horizontal and vertical keystone, and four-corner adjustment, making it so it practically adjusts itself. We also wanted to make sure that the ViewSonic LX60HD was built to last, so we fully equipped it with a sealed optical engine, making sure it keeps the dust and moisture out and you immerse into whatever content you're projecting. The ViewSonic LX60HD offers a smart and seamless projection. Bundled in with its smart TV capabilities, powerful brightness, and easy-to-use navigation, the LX60HD projector is ready to impress. Now, if you're interested in the ViewSonic LX60HD projector or any of our other product lines, please visit us at ViewSonic.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.